What's up, traders? Welcome back to Forex Life. Hope everyone has been good. I know it's been a while since I've posted a strategy for you guys, but I'm back now. I'm back here to show you guys ways that you can master the boom and crash market. Please note this is not financial advice. All this information is purely educational for you guys. You can use the strategy or you don't need to use the strategy. It's completely up to you. However, in today's video, we will be discussing a strategy on how you can actually go ahead and scalp the boom and crash markets to the best of its ability. Now, remember, guys, most of these indicators, these built-in indicators on MetaTrader 5, they do lag. However, I do try and find the best strategies to help you guys out. So if this is your first time on the channel, please go ahead and like this video. Also share this video so that it can be pushed out to more traders out there that is learning about the boom and crash markets and that are struggling. But nevertheless, let's jump straight into the video. I'm not going to make this video long for you guys. Stay until the end. I will reveal the settings for you guys. Don't skip until the end to see the settings for the strategy, because then you won't know how the strategy actually works. And then you'll come into the comments and saying that you don't know how the strategy works or the strategy isn't working for you. The strategy does work. You guys just need to follow the rules of the strategy. Back test it on demo first before you guys go live on your accounts. And at the end of the video, I'll show you guys the settings for the strategy. Pause the video, screenshot it, and then load it onto your charts. So let's start. This strategy works on boom and crash. Okay, it's not just a scalping strategy, but it's a two-way strategy, which means we can buy on crash markets and we can sell on crash markets as well. We can buy on bull markets and we can sell on the bull markets. So first things first, you'll notice we have three different indicators. On our main chart, we have a moving average line. Okay, this will be showing us the direction of the market, as well as these two moving averages in our RSI box at the bottom, our indicator window 1. The strategy is very simple, so listen up. It doesn't matter which zoom level you're on. However, I do prefer, so this is the lowest, right? 1, 2. That is what I prefer. 1, 2. Okay? So that is the zoom level that I prefer for this strategy. Now, just looking at the strategy, you guys would have already figured out how to use it. I'm just going to explain it to you guys. So over here, when we see this moving average, let me just change the color. When we have our moving average on our main chart, like I said, this shows us the direction. So in order for us to take a trade, we wait for the red moving average here at the bottom in indicator window 1. We wait for the red moving average to cross the white moving average. And like I said, it does remain, but if you keep your chart the way it is now and not move front to back, just follow it the way that it is, it will definitely work for you. So once the red moving average crosses our white moving average over here, we wait till we see a candle closure on our main chart above this moving average. Okay, so we wait for the crossover at level 20. We wait for a candle to close above the moving average on our main chart. This is on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, once the candle closes above the moving average over here, our candle closed, we then go ahead and we enter our trade. We take our buy, so we're buying on the crash market, and we hold our buy until this white moving average over here reaches level 90. So over here we've reached level 90, and this is where we would have closed our trades. So we would have caught that entire movement over there on crash 500. Okay, I'm going to explain it again. The rules. Rule number 1, crossover for buy at level 20. Red crosses the white. Rule number 2, candle closure above the moving average on the main chart. You enter your trade, you take your buy, you close your buy until the white moving average reaches level 90. That is when you close your buy. Your stop loss is determined on you, what I usually do is I place my stop loss below the previous low. So on the buy, I'll place my stop loss below the previous low in case of a little pullback and then a continuation. For a sell, it's exactly the same. So as we can see, we had a crossover here. What do? We wait for a candle closure below the moving average. So there, this candle closed below the moving average. So we'd have entered our trade over here, right? We had a little bit of a pullback and we went all the way down. When do we close our trade? When the white moving average reaches level 20. So here we would have closed our trade and would have caught those spikes. Pretty simple, very easy to use. Again, crossover, candle closes above, we enter the trade, stop loss below the previous low, and we take the trade until we reach level 90. So right over here, we'd have closed our trade and we'd have bagged all of those candles. And it works on all the markets. So if we use Crash 1000 as an example, we can see here we had a crossover, wait for the candle closure, take out trade, and here we reached level 20, we're out of the market. For the buy, we have a crossover over here. What do we wait for? Candle to close above the moving average. We have entered our trade. Little pullback, but that's okay. Our stop loss is below the previous low and we're in profits. When will we close this trade? When we reach level 90. So when the white moving average goes all the way up to level 90, that is when we will close our trade. Same thing on the bull markets, exactly the same. So here we can see crossover happen, wait for candle to close below, we take our sell. We haven't reached level 20 yet, so we are still in here. We came back, we're in a pullback, we're back at entry over there, back down, stop loss is above our previous high. So we're waiting for the moving average to reach level 20, and that is where we will close it. Same thing with the buy, we have a crossover. We have a crossover over here. What do we wait for? Candle to close above this moving average. We enter our buy all the way up. Profits once we've reached level 90. We then go ahead and we take our profits. So it's a very simple strategy to use, guys, but very effective. You can make lots of money with this strategy just by following the rules and applying proper risk management. Remember to go ahead and share this video, like, subscribe as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the settings for this video, for this specific strategy right now. So I'm just going to run through it and you guys can go ahead and screenshot it and then add it to your chart. So the first one on our main chart is a 15 moving average. The method is exponential, close, and 4 pixel. You can change the pixel. The pixel is the width of the moving average to whichever size you like, and you can make the color whichever color you like. Next one is the RSI, so it's just going to be period 1 applied to close. By style, the color over here, you need to have that color, the same color as your chart background. So if your chart's background is white, you make that white. If your chart's background is black, you make that black. By levels, you're just going to add level 20 and level 90. That is our take profit levels. Then you're going to go on indicator window 1 on the F plus over there, and you're going to add a moving average. Same settings, we're just going to change the period to 50 instead of 15, and you're going to change the color. Then you're going to click on the F plus icon again, and then you're going to add another moving average. This one you're going to make 1, and you're going to change the color over there, and then your chart should look like this. And then you can go ahead and take the trades. And as you can see, we have our crossover over here. So what is the confirmation we need to wait for? We need to wait for the candle to close below the moving average. Once the candle closes below the moving average, we can then enter our trade and ride the trend all the way down till this moving average reaches level 20. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back with more videos. Drop down in the comment box below what type of strategies you guys would like, and I will try to implement more of those strategies on my channel. We're currently at 7,200 members, subscribers. We'd like to reach 8,000 subscribers before the end of December. So please go ahead, subscribe if this is your first time watching this video or on my channel, and go ahead, like, share, comment this video. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next one.